Want to set up AI-powered game characters with ChatGPT? Here's how to step by step. Step 1. Create an OpenAI account and get your API key from OpenAI platform. So start by logging in or sign up if you don't have an account. And then after creating an account, scroll down to manage and then API keys, create new secret key and then copy your API key. Step 2. Choose your development environment like Unity or Unreal Engine since both support API integration. Step 3. Install the necessary SDK for plugin. For Unity, use a C# HTTP client. For Unreal, use a REST API client plugin. Step 4. Set up your project and add a script that connects to the ChatGPT API using your key. Step 5. Design your character, personality, and backstory. Write a system prompt that defines how the NPC build should talk, act, and respond. Step 6. Program the dialogue system input to send player input as prompts to the API and return ChatGPT response as dialogue. Step 7. Add voice integration with a text-to-speech engine like 11 Labs with prompts until the personality feels realistic. Step 9. Optimize with memory or state tracking so your NPC remembers players' choices and evolves after time. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.